the Gamma.app. Let's begin by clicking Create New AI. Now, choose Insert File. I'm selecting a Word doc file that contains the information for my presentation. Once the file is uploaded, Gamma asks what you want to create: a presentation, web page, document, or social post. For this video, I'm choosing presentation. Just a note, the free version allows only 10 slides, also known as cards. You'll get two formats to choose from: Freeform or card format. Gamma also suggests ways to import the content through helpful pop-ups. Here, I'm cleaning the data by removing the numbers that appear at the beginning of each line. On the left side, you can explore visuals, including themes and styles. Gamma will also suggest keywords that describe your presentation. These help it design better slides. There's also an additional instructions section, where you can add any extra guidelines before generating your slides. Now, with just one click, your entire presentation is generating without any intervention. Gamma automates everything, adding relevant graphics, icons, and GIFs. Look how impressive the design looks. Let's review the slides. You can see how clean and visually appealing each one is, with point-to-point explanations and example sections. On the right side, open the three-dot menu to export your work as a PDF, PowerPoint, or even a watchable image file. In the settings on the right sidebar, you can change themes, colors, fonts, and even insert images or other elements. Here, I'm changing the theme. Navigation on the left lets you quickly jump to any slide instantly. Gamma.app is a free AI tool for creating presentations, documents, web pages, and social content. However, the free version has limitations such as 400 credits for early login, and you must sign in to use it. Here's another web page, AiPPT. Instead of uploading a file directly, this tool requires a paid version for certain file formats. Watch how it automatically writes the content. Now, click Generate, select your preferred options, and remember, the free version only allows 2 presentations. Look at how beautifully it converts the content into a full presentation. You can customize the theme from the right sidebar. However, exporting the presentation requires premium access. But you can still present using a hyperlink for free. On the left, the slide navigation bar helps you move across slides easily. AiPPT is a great alternative to Gamma.app, although it does not allow free uploading of certain file formats. Now, an introduction to Presentation.ai. Here, we upload a file to generate a presentation. The AI enhances the content by adding structure and clarity automatically. You can choose the number of slides, or let the AI decide for you. Next, choose the style. Unlike Gamma, AiPPT and Presentation.ai offer unique animations and video-style presentations. Here you can see a very lucrative layout, clean, point-to-point, and visually structured. Exporting, once again, requires a paid version. You can customize colors and other design elements. Images can be added by enabling the toggle option. Explore the customization tools to get familiar with all the embedded features inside Presentation.ai. Now let's look at slidespilot.com. Here, I'm uploading a Word docx file. Customize the settings and add instructions for how you want your presentation to look. I'm prompting it to generate a visually appealing presentation with proper AI images and graphics. You can choose the design style. This platform offers a smooth, look at latency loading experience. Doesn't it look nice? It creates automated presentations with clean themes, icons, and images. Let's explore the navigation and insert additional lines. Exporting here also requires a paid version, but you can share the presentation via hyperlink. AI-powered presentation tools create lucrative, professional presentations with a single click. They significantly improve the way we present information, whether for marketing, production, sales, or even as an educator. The way we create presentations. It analyzes our content, understands the structure, and automatically builds clear, organized slides. It adds visuals, icons, charts, and layouts that match the theme, saving hours of manual designing. These are the 5 AI websites for PPT presentations. All websites requires login, and some offer more options and features for paid version. I personally like the Gamma.app, which offers export feature for free and lucrative design for PPT. Thank you for watching. Let's know on comment what version of your website you like most. And subscribe for more content on data analytics and AI.